Curtains are very important in balancing light and ambience in your room. You can choose among different types, materials and sizes. Hello and welcome back to IKEA 101. This time we will talk about window dressing. We will explain how to use curtains to manage sunlight and save energy in your home. Curtains are great accessories that can easily change the beauty of your room with colors, patterns and materials. With a little cost, you can immediately bring vitality on your windows. Window treatment can help you adjust the light during the day and throughout different seasons. A solution with two layers, usually one sheer and one opaque curtain, is flexible and good for all areas of the home. You can easily combine function and aesthetics with these drapes. Here, we have a solution with three layers: a roller blind, a transparent curtain and a room darkening one. With these layers, you can either block light or let it in. Keep your room warm or cool and prevent reflections on screens. Layering the windows can create a beautiful and functional solution. Now you know where to start. Refresh your windows just the way you like it. See you next time. Bye.